This is how to reverse a payment or debit order using the Nedbank app in South Africa. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any steps. Let's get started. Open the Nedbank app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Then log in using your Nedbank ID, app PIN, or biometrics. Once you're logged in, tap on the account where the payment or debit order went off. Then select Debit Orders from the account menu. Here you'll see a list of all your active debit orders. Find the one you want to reverse and tap on it to view the details. If it's eligible for reversal, tap Reverse Debit Order, select your reason and confirm your request. You'll see a message confirming that your reversal has been submitted successfully. If you don't see the reversal option, it means that specific debit order can't be reversed directly through the app. In that case, contact Nedbank's contact center for help. Some debit orders can be reversed instantly in the app if they're recent and still being processed. Others, like completed payments, EFTs, or debit orders from certain companies, may need Nedbank's support team to assist you. And that's it. That's how you reverse money or a debit order using the Nedbank app in South Africa. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple banking tutorials.